Hello. So today I finally got myself an Xbox game controller. So I got the Stellar Shift edition and let's unpack it. I'll show you now how it. So here is the controller itself. Also it has double batteries, but I bought the rechargeable one, so thanks, but I don't need that. Okay, so now let's put the rechargeable batteries inside. So first I didn't understand how to put the batteries in, but you just need to look for a special contact on the battery and on the controller itself, and that's all. Controller, the battery maybe came already a little bit charged, so you can either hold the Xbox button on the controller for a few seconds and it will turn on, or directly hold the pairing button on the top side of the controller where you did put the battery in. So you can, if you, maybe it won't turn on the first time with the pairing button, so you will need to hold the Xbox button, but you can try directly with the pairing button. So you need to hold it for a few seconds for it to turn on the pairing mode. In pairing mode, the Xbox logo will flash very frequently, and then you will have to go to Bluetooth settings. If you will use it with other laptops or computers, you will need to remove the device after every use. At least that's how it works for me. And you will need just to connect it again the next time. And that's all. Also, you may want to enter Steam Big Picture mode, or you can, I think you can configure it directly from the normal mode, but I prefer the Big Picture mode because it's a little bit easier to use. So you need to go to controller, then enable Steam input for Xbox controllers or whatever controller you're connecting, and then you can enable this function guide button focus Steam. I don't need it. And also it will say if you want to install the Xbox extended featured support driver. That's for the regular desktop mode and games that aren't supported. That don't support gamepads by default. You can set up the desktop layout here. Okay, let me close layout, continue, and you can change what every button does. So for example, the D-pad will do the arrow keys, left joystick the mouse, right joystick. I don't know why I didn't assign. Oh yeah, because I did. Yeah, you can change everything here. I didn't set it up because all the games that I play support the controller. So yeah, and I think that's all. If you press the Xbox button on the desktop, it will launch the games that you can play, and you can go to the home bar, and here so once you are in game, I think it launches directly this home bar, and then you can just like configure it with your mouse or with the... So yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching. See you next time.